Welcome back, viewers. On to another top story at this hour now. BJP National President JP Nadda will be visiting Manipur on the 13th and 14th of December. That's right, viewers. A briefing news persons, a BJP national spokesperson, as well as a party in charge of Manipur, Sambit Patra, said that JP Nadda will be apprised about the transformation that the state has undergone during the BJP governance.
The main reason for the meetings that we are having today is the visit of the National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Sri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, to Manipur. He was to visit Manipur on 1st and 2nd of December. There is slight change in the schedule. Probably now the schedule is 13th and 14th of December. Any update in this will be updated to the media through us and through the team over here. And we want to present the best feet forward of Manipur. We want to show as to how Manipur has developed a great deal under Bharatiya Janata Party's administration and governance, and as to how the Sangathan of Bharatiya Janata Party is taking every community together and we are moving ahead.
Patra also said that he is in touch with the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh only through telephonic conversations to discuss the political situation, as the Manipur Chief Minister is currently in quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19.
I've had a telephonic conversation with the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Biren Singh ji, and as you know, he is not well and under quarantine, so I cannot meet him personally and individually. So I would be wishing him, I have already wished him, and through television also I'll be wishing him all the best for his health, and as soon as he is recovered, I will be seeing him.
And when asked about the party's prospects in the 2023 elections, Sambit Patra said that the people of the state are with his party. The BJP leader also reiterated about the party's commitment for the development push in the state.
I have already spoken, sir.
How will you look into, sir? You are confident that the 2022 election Manipur
Everyone is with Modi ji. Everyone loves Modi ji. We all will work to see to it that Manipur develops as never before. Manipur will be developing. Thank you. And I'm thankful to Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister of India, and I'm thankful to Shri JP Nadda ji, the President of Bharatiya Janata Party, for reposing faith on me as the in charge of Manipur. I'm thankful to the President of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur, Professor Tikendra Singh ji, and all the office bearers of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur for having received me yesterday and for having briefed me regarding the issues of Manipur. I'm very new to Manipur. You all have to give me a great deal of love. You have to inform me about everything so that we can move together with the only mantra of Narendra Modi, and the mantra is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas.